Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, invalid gaming services detected, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here PowerShell, right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes. Now you're going to paste both of these commands in. What the first command does is it installs some Microsoft Gaming Services on your computer, and what the second command does is it opens the Microsoft Gaming Services link on the Microsoft Store. So paste both of these commands in here. Once it's done, you're going to click update or install on here. After you're done with that, now you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. And here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click onto gaming services repair tool now, and then click start repairing, click yes. Once it's done diagnosing your issue and repairing it, now what you're going to do is you're going to click close on here, and then you're going to sign up from the Xbox app. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And now you're going to sign in to your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to minimize the Xbox app, open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, click install files, and then click verify integrity of game files. While it's doing that, you're going to go to the Forza Horizon 6 games directory. The default directory should be in your C drive, Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Forza Horizon 6. Right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, click properties, click compatibility, and then click run this program as an administrator. Also disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.